Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to peel and clean tomatillos. So these are tomatillos. They're not tomatoes. This is a totally different fruit. So they have this skin that needs to be peeled, and I'll show you how to do it. So it's super easy. First we peel them and then we wash them, because if you wash them at first, there might be dirt underneath the skin. So first just remove the skin. So super easy to peel them. And they're a little sticky. That's normal, and that's why we wash them. We're gonna clean the dirt and also remove that sticky film. And it's attached here by the stem, so you just use a knife to cut it off, or you can just tear it. So now this tomatillo is clean, and I have this colander set up here, so I will just put them in the colander and then I'll wash them once I'm done peeling them. So we are done peeling the tomatillos. So as you saw when I was peeling, oh, here's one more I forgot. So basically the easiest way to remove it is just twist the stalk. So this way you don't need a knife, it comes right off. So now here are the tomatillos, and to clean them, just wash them in a colander under cold running water. But I would like to wash each individual one super well to just remove that sticky film. So just wash and then set aside. So this is a clean tomatillo. Because if you just rinse it like this, it will not remove everything. So wash each tomatillo and then they'll be ready to eat. Actually, you need to cook them and then use them in your recipe. So here are the cleaned and peeled tomatillos, and usually people don't eat them raw. You do need to cook them, and I do have several recipes on my channel I'll be publishing on how to cook them, so stay tuned. And this is it for how to peel and wash tomatillos. For more easy cooking tricks, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, and I'll see you in the next video.